Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to create consistent characters in Leonardo AI. Creating consistent characters in Leonardo AI starts with building a strong base character using a highly detailed prompt that clearly defines facial features, hairstyle, outfit, color palette, and overall art style. Because the more precise your first image is, the easier it becomes for the AI to replicate it accurately in future generations. Once you have a character you're satisfied with, upload that image into the character reference features so that AI can reuse the same identity, including face structure and proportions, across different scenes and poses. After that, adjust the reference strength depending on whether you want strict consistency or more create variation, and always repeat key traits in your prompts to reduce drift. You can also reuse the same seed for similar outputs or train in a custom model using multiple character images for maximum stability. The workflow is simple: create one strong character, lock it with reference tool, and consistently reuse it for every new generation. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.